Hi there, you're listening to What's New Today, a kids and family podcast channel. This is your host Sangeeta from India. This is part 4 of our Harry Potter book review podcast series. It's led by Manisha, an educator. She's passionate, she's fun loving, and she prepared a bunch of book review worksheets for the kids who joined us for this book review to fill in ahead of this recording.
Can you tell me few more similarities in the world of the book, in the world of Harry Potter, and in our world that we have? Like just for example, like we have, like they had banks. Even we have banks. When we want to withdraw money or deposit money, we do go to banks. They also had banks. Any other similarities?
We have brooms.
Okay, but they are not flying. All right, so we have.
At least we have brooms to sweep.
Yeah, I definitely second you with that. Of course, I would like to have one with the flying one also.
Like we have trains in the real world. They have an Hogwarts Express in the Harry Potter world.
Well, we both have schools. For them it's magical school, for us it's human school.
Both of us have schools, then we have exams, we have professors.
There are secret rooms in Hogwarts. Like anytime we can find anything new in our school that we don't know about. Like in one of the books, Dumbledore mentions that he also didn't know about Hogwarts properly, that all of its passages, and one day he found a room lit by a chandelier and with candles, and then he said that one, and he wanted to find it again but he couldn't do that.
Both have bikes. Like Hagrid had one flying bike. We have one normal bike that runs on land.
And flying bikes are very soon to be developed.
It's not Hagrid's bike. It's actually Sirius Black's.
Harry and Hufflepuff, Gryffindor and Ravenclaw, like that, we also have houses.
In our school. Correct, absolutely right. Yes, Pravit?
Like in the visiting world, there are desks and quills, and we also have them here.
So in the magical world, like we have different types of human beings, humans, whatever, serpents, centaurs, etc. And then we all have the same emotions.
We all have exams, so in their world also they have exams and we have exams too, but only the subjects are different. Like they have charms and potions and herbology, and we have English, math, science, etc.
And is the fear same of going for exams and then going for the report cards? Is the fear same that how they were fearing about their report cards and they started revision and all that?
No, I'm like Hermione.
Oh, you are all, I know it all.
One similarity between our world and the Harry Potter world is flying cars. Even though yes, they don't sell in mass, but there are prototypes that actually work.
In their world, they also have classrooms, and we also have classrooms in school.
There is a type of flying object like a broom, but much bigger, that can fit many people. And this flying object is called an aeroplane.
I really like the point of flying. Like humans can also fly by the use of aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. It is not differentiate between. It is a similarity that humans can fly, so can the Harry Potter character.
You all are fascinated, lot of have fascination about the flying objects, especially the boys. I can figure out over here. How do you think they used to get the post?
From the owls.
Did we had anything like something related to owl who brings us the post?
Pigeons.
Pigeons. Yes, we also had pigeon post.
Owls and post have found some resonance in the real world we live in, even right now. Britain's Postal Service released a set of stamps commemorating some of its owls. They also released stamps commemorating all 7 of the Harry Potter book covers. Here's a question for our listeners. What similarity between the Harry Potter world and the real world that we live in do you find most interesting? If you're listening to this on YouTube or Spotify, you can leave your response via comments below, or you can email me at hello@wsnt.in. If you'd like to be a part of our book review club, just like the little kids who joined us, you can register using the link I'm leaving in the show notes below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next episode.